In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Sheets look aesthetic. Whether you're working on a data report, a presentation, or just an organized spreadsheet for your own use, enhancing its visual appeal can significantly impact readability and overall presentation. Let's dive into some practical methods to achieve a streamlined and attractive layout in Google Sheets. First, we want to consider using themes and ensuring a consistent style throughout our document. To apply a theme, navigate to Format in the menu, then select Themes. Here, you can choose from Google Sheets' pre-made themes or click Customize to craft your very own color palette. By picking colors that complement each other, you set a visual tone for your spreadsheet that follows your aesthetic preferences and augments the data you're presenting. Now, let's move on to organizing headers and text for better clarity. Start by freezing your header row. This can be done by going to the View menu, choosing Freeze, and then selecting one row. This way, your header will remain visible as you scroll through your data. For headers, consider making them bold or even using all caps. You might also experiment with using a different font size than the rest of your data to set them apart. If space is constrained, rotating the text can create a compact yet stylish appearance. Aligning your text appropriately is another critical aspect. Align your headers and data according to the content. For instance, text on the left and numbers on the right. You can also center headers both horizontally and vertically when it makes sense to do so, which helps in achieving a balanced look. Make sure your columns are adjusted to the right widths. Provide enough space for content with a little extra room to breathe. If your text is too wide, consider using the text wrapping option to ensure all your text is visible without excessively widening the columns. Moving on to enhancing readability and adding visual elements, a simple yet effective technique is to add alternating row colors. This can be done manually or by using the Alternating Colors feature from the Format menu, which accentuates the separation between rows, making it easier to track information across your spreadsheet. Additionally, strategic borders add clarity. A thicker line at the top of your header or subtle divisions between columns are far more appealing than displaying grid lines for everything. Finally, consider hiding grid lines entirely for a cleaner, more professional look, akin to a dashboard. You can achieve this by changing the grid line color to match your background, subtly pushing all the focus to your neat layout and without unnecessary distractions. These methods combined will help you create a Google Sheets document that not only presents your data in an aesthetically pleasing manner, but also enhances usability and interpretation. So, go ahead and try these tips to elevate the visual appeal of your Google Sheets.